Okay, Harley, imagine this. A lovely toasted foot-long sandwich from Subway. Cut right down the middle. With the gorgeous cheese and the sassy tomatoes and the ugly olives and the runny oil and ugly black olives and melted cheese on top.
Melted.
Oh. And then a bag of chips right there on the side. A lovely bag of chips. Mm.
And the side order a crumbly salad with the crumbly lettuce and the oil and the black olives and the melted sprinkled cheese and the sassy sliced tomatoes in half.
And a lovely ice cold drink.
And a big sweet tea. So cold that you go